Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day all my friends and Kamila. I would like to say thank you for watching our presentation. It's great to see you all. Alright, now I'm here as a moderator in this group. First, let me introduce myself and my group member. We are from group 4. My name is Dinda Wulandari as a moderator, and my partner are first, Elsa Marlinda, Syahla Kamila Harsono Putri, Indhana Faizatul Nikmah, and the last is Rais Ardhana. The purpose of our presentation is to discussion about the Pythagoras Theorem. In this moment, we will discuss about the history, definition, proof, table, and the last discussion topic is about the example of Pythagoras Theorem. Now, the first topic of history about the Pythagoras Theorem will be explained by Indhana Faizatul Hikmah. For Indhana, time is yours.
History. Pythagoras was a mathematician who was born in 570 BC on the island of Samos, Turkey. Pythagoras is also called the father of numbers. He made important contributions to philosophy and religion in the late 3 until 9th century BC. His life and teaching are not very clear due to the many legends and artificial stories about him. One of the famous relics of Pythagoras is the Pythagorean Theorem, which states the square of the hypotenuse of a rectangle is equal to the sum of the squares of its legs. Although the facts in this theorem were well known before the birth of Pythagoras, this theorem is credited to Pythagoras because he was the first to prove this observation mathematically. Pythagoras founded a college that contributed a lot in the field of mathematics. Pythagoras and his students believed that everything in the world was related to mathematics, and thought that everything could be predicated and measured in rhythmic scales. He believed that the beauty of mathematics was that natural phenomena could be expressed in number or in numeration. In addition to proving the Pythagorean theorem and the Pythagorean triple formula, this school also discussed triangle numbers, square numbers, pentagons, perfect numbers, and friendly numbers. When his student Hipparchus discovered that SQRT2, the hypotenuse of an isosceles right triangle with a ratio equal to 1, was an irrational number, the other Pythagorean students decided to kill him because they could not refute the evidence Hipparchus presented.
The next topic is about a definition from Pythagoras Theorem will be explained by Syahla Kamila. For Syahla, time is yours.
Definition Pythagoras Theorem. The Pythagoras Theorem is a mathematical rule or a theorem that can be used to determine the length of one side of a rectangle. What you need to remember from this theorem is that the theorem only applies to rectangles. Therefore, it cannot be used to determine the size of another triangle that are not right angle. The picture a rectangle.
The next topic is about the proof from Pythagoras Theorem will be explained by Rais Ardhana. From Ardhan, this time is yours.
Here, I will explain about the proof of the Pythagoras Theorem. For example, like the picture above, here we have a large square in which there is a small square. Here is the formula needed to prove the Pythagoras Theorem. Formula area of triangle, formula area of square, and formula algebraic properties. We will use a large square to prove the Pythagorean theorem, and use the facts. Area of large square is area of small square plus 4 multiplied area of right triangle, and we follow the equality like this. And we got this: a squared plus b squared is c squared. So it can be concluded that the formula for the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared is c squared. Where A is the upright side, B is the pedestal side, and C is the hypotenuse, as in the follow picture, like this: A, B, and C.
The next topic is about a table from Pythagoras theorem will be explained by Elsa Marlinda. For Elsa, time is yours.
Pythagoras table. Pythagoras table have four numbers that are arranged regularly and form a self-pattern or other called for table or Pythagoras table. Namely, the first table is 3, 4, 5. Second table is 5, 12, 13. Third table is 7, 24, 25. And fourth table is 8, 50, and 17.
Now, we are getting to the last topic of example about the Pythagoras theorem will be explained by myself. The first example, as we know that is a right triangular, has a left base, it is 5 cm, and the left base, it is 12 cm. And we are looking for the hypotenuse in this right triangular. First, we must write the formula of the right triangular. It is a square plus b square equals c square. So we know that is a 5 square plus 12 square equals c square. So we are get into the value of a c square. It is 169. So the root of 169, it is 13 centimeters. So the value of the hypotenuse in this right triangular, it is 13 centimeters. Next. The second example in this question, we must looking for the value of the right base in this right triangular. As we know, we must write the formula of the right triangular. It is a square plus b square equals c square. That is 9 square plus b square equals 15 square. So we get into the 81 plus b square equals 225. Take 81 from the both sides. So we get the value of the b square, it is 144. So the root of the 144, it is 12 centimeters. So the value of the b or the left base on this right triangular, it is 12 centimeters. Next. And the third example, it is the diagonal and one side length of a triangular side is 25 centimeters and 24 centimeters respectively. What is the dimension of the third side? The first solution is we must write a formula of this right triangular. It is c square equals a square plus b square. Let it be as a third side. So we get into the 25 square equals 24 square plus b square. It can be 625 equals 576 plus b square. We must take 576 from the both sides. So we can get into the value of a b square, it is 49. So the root of the 49 is 7 centimeters. So the dimension of the third side, it is 7 centimeters. Next. Fourth example. Tanya runs diagonally across a rectangular field that has a length of 40 meters and a width 30 meters. What is the length of the diagonal in yards and Tanya runs? The first step is we must write the none of the example. We must write the x equals h equals c, and the value of a equals 30 meters, and the value of b equals 40 meters. The first solution is we must write the formula of the right triangular. It is c squared equals a square plus b square. As we know that there is a value of c and h is the same, so we can change the c into h. And then h squared equals 30 squared plus 40 squared. It is 900 plus 1600 x. So we can get h squared equals 2500. It is the root of the 2500 is 50 meters. So we know that the length of the diagonal in yards that Tanya runs is 50 meters. That's all our discussion topic about the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you very much for your great attention and listening. May all of us we have shared be beneficially for all of us. For the last step, I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day and have a nice day.